Hello everyone! I've returned after a long break to teach you guys a unique and profitable strategy. As you can see in the video, the strategy works flawlessly. I've used RSI and advanced supply and demand indicators to make this strategy. The combination of these two indicators makes trading setups that work in any time frame. This is the Ethereum chart with the 1 minute time frame. The signals given by this strategy are reversal and half scalping. If you receive just a few signals a day via this strategy and make trading positions with 0.5 risk to reward ratio, we will make big profit from the market every day. If you want to increase your everyday trade win rate ratio, make sure to watch this video till the end. Later in the video, I will teach you everything about this strategy on the chart. After learning this strategy, you will be able to detect such motions in the market. First thing you should do is open the Indicators tab. Search up RSI divergence Tories. After applying the indicator, we open its settings and we set RSI length to 20. Change the rest of the settings as I do. That's all we need to change in the settings. Now let me show you the signals of the RSI indicator. Here the price has risen a peak. But in the RSI, a peak has been formed lower than the previous one. This is negative divergence and the price will most likely fall. For this reason, I'm going to make a sell position here. Let me show you a positive divergent example too. Here the price has decreased and formed a lower trough. But in RSI, we got a trough higher than the prior one. This shows that the buyers have gained power. See here, as the price has fallen slowly, the RSI has risen slowly alongside it. This tells us that the price will be going up because the number of buyers in the market has risen, and we should enter a buy trade here. After this, a negative divergence can be seen on the chart. Here I mark this negative divergence on the chart. The problem is 30% of this indicator's signals are false. This indicator has given us a sell signal here, but as you can see, this sell position has hit its stop loss. This is an example of the indicator's inaccuracies. In order to filter out this strategy's false signals, we need another indicator. We type supply and demand in the search bar of Indicators tab. We apply this indicator from Lux Algo to the chart. Let me show you the settings of this indicator too. This indicator shows us the real supply and demand levels. With this indicator, all fake signals will be taken care of. Here we got a negative divergence, but it is false. A true divergence can only be formed in the supply zone. So, when the price reaches the supply zone, we start drawing the divergence lines. Here the price has reached the supply zone, and we got a very valid divergence. Here is the reversal point of the price, so we make a sell trade on it. We always set the stop loss right above the supply zone. Here is another sell signal. Let me show you a buy example too. Here a positive divergence has occurred. We enter a buy position. But the price falls and hits the stop loss. So this divergence was not valid because this divergence wasn't formed in the demand zone. But here the price decreased and reached the demand zone while also making a trough lower than the prior ones. In RSI, a trough is also formed higher than the previous ones. Now, the price is in demand zone and divergence is giving us a buy signal. This buy signal is completely valid. We set the stop loss right under the demand zone and our target to supply zone. One important point is left about this strategy. That is, first peak of the signal in RSI line should either be above the red line or on the red line or just really close to it. These are the three conditions of RSI indicator. These three conditions are true in the positive divergences too. The first trough of the signal should either be below the green line or on the green line or really close to it. This positive divergence is completely valid and we can enter a buy trade. So the result of combining these two indicators is receiving the best signals. Okay, In the rest of the video, I will showcase my personal indicator and trader bot 2. This indicator gives buy and sell signals in the best positions possible. And our trader bot opens buy or sell trades based on the signals of this indicator. For example, it has opened a buy trade here. Or another example is sell signal here. A buy signal on floor on the canal. Let's move back a little. As you can see, all the signals of this indicator are true, and the signals are very accurate. This indicator works on the Forex platform, and the trader bot starts trades with the indicator signals. Let me show you the trading result of this bot and indicator's combination on a trading account. This is the bot's trading account that has made $1,1217 profit in the past 15 days. The original deposit on the account was $15,000 and the current balance is $16,1217. Today's profit was $87 and these are the trades opened by the bot. In order to get your hands on this indicator and bot, go to the description of the video and click on this link and enter our Telegram channel. We are currently on the Ethereum chart and I want to do some backtesting with this strategy. This strategy worked on the Ethereum chart with a high win rate ratio. We got 16 signals which all were successful. This strategy's win rate is 100% on the Ethereum chart so far. Let's backtest on another chart. Now we are on the Gala chart. In the next video, I'm going to showcase one of my own personal strategies. So subscribe to the channel and wait for the next video. Take care and goodbye.